Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need a full refund from Walmart app? Follow these simple steps. First of all, log into your Walmart account and go to the orders section. Find the order you want to refund. Select your order and tap adjust. This will take you to the refund page. Tap adjust item under actions. Then, for a full refund, choose entire amount as the type of adjustment. Select the refund category and return reason from the drop-down menu. You can also add a comment if needed. Finally, tap Adjust to process the refund. Once confirmed, the full amount will be refunded to you. And that's it. Your refund will be processed and you will receive the full amount back. Thanks for watching.